Arithmetic for computers we are covering. We have covered addition and subtraction last class. Today's topic is multiplication. Very simple only. What do you normally do during your school times? That discussions only. Just wait, I'll admit the student. What is the general meaning of multiplication? Anyone? General meaning multiplication. Anyone? What we do in multiplication? What are the three terms under multiplication concept? What all will be the operand? And what is the result called in it? Did you hear about multiplicand, multiplier, product, the terms? Have you heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's the question I'm asking. Multiplicand, a term will be, multiplier will be, and a product. When a multiplier is multiplied with a multiplicand, we get a product, right? The concept. So under multiplication, so we are going to deal about decimal numbers. Decimal numbers normally will have never a long hand, and we have to remember ourselves the steps of normal multiplication. What you do in a school time. Okay. And the name of the operand. So you what a computer can understand, it only understands zeros and ones, right? Just wait. Class time la nadula varravanga. Okay. I don't know what about other students. Why they are not attending, I don't know. So multiplication of a decimal number, if they are given any decimal number, you have to do a multiplication concept. Normally what you follow in a school times you do. Similarly, a computer have to get the decimal number, you have to convert into its binary form and do the multiplication process. So because we are learning about the hardware language, hardware dealing information in an ALU processor, ALU unit, how a multiplication has been done. That's the concept. For any reason that it becomes clear shortly that we limit this decimal example to usually on a digit zeros and ones. So they have converted the decimal number into binary and they have done the multiplication. The very important points you have to keep in mind is the top operand is called as multiplicand and this value is called as multiplier. So first operand is multiplicand, second operand is multiplier, and after multiplication concept we get a product. Three terms you have to keep in mind. Just wait. Kindly note it down, whatever we are covering today in your notebook. So try to analyze normal operations. You will multiply this value, right? If suppose the value here multiplier order first digit value normally multiplication is done from right to left. This right is left. Right la and left la nama bits place pannu. When you are multiplying this digit, multiplier vachi multiplicand pannumbodhu 1 into 0 is 0. So whenever you give a 1 here, the same multiplicand value only will be placed. First hint. Wherever you have a multiplier value, digit is 1, you are going to multiply with the multiplicand, the same value will be placed. But in the case of 0 bit you have to multiply, everything is 0. And you know normal multiplication eppadi pannuvom, or shift pannittu or bit shift panni da nama place pannuvom. Similarly next time 2 bit will be placed, next 3 bit thalli da nama and the values place pannuvom. This is a normal multiplication concept. So this how hardware can perform. So we have to frame a particular algorithm for this, right? So the mari correcta place avano multiplication any number of digit we have to multiply, multiplier multiplicand irundhu multiply panni or product varuduna or algorithm நம்ம வந்து frame பண்ணனும் hardware. You will get a correct product for it. Just wait. So the algorithm learnt in normal school இதில் எப்படி மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் உங்கள் கான்செப்ட் தெரியுமோ அதே தான் நம்ம இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம் ஃபார் அ கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஹார்ட்வேர். ALU யூனிட்ல நம்ம இந்த algorithm feed பண்ணி any type of addition subtraction we have covered. For multiplication, what is the concept we want to deal with? So digit of the multiplier one at a time. Normally we do from right to left, multiplying the multiplicand, okay, by a single digit. 1 multiplied with the multiplicand, 0 multiplied by the multiplicand of the multiplier, shifting the intermediate product, which is called as intermediate product here. This is called as intermediate product in between. This is the main product. This is all called as intermediate product. The point is multiplying the multiplicand by a single digit of the multiplier and shifting the intermediate product one digit to the left of the early intermediate product. Other than words like explain pannirukam. What we do manually, we have explained in words. Any doubt till now? Please reply. Please reply, students. What we are doing in the process, they have written in words. So first operand is called as what? First operand. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Reply. So first operand is called as
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand, and second operand is called
multiplicand.
as. Okay, second operand.
Multiplier.
Very good. So normal manual calculations.
Multiplier.
So how a normal product yes, intermediate products are placed in such a way when you are going to multiply the first digit with the multiplicand, the same value will be placed. If you are multiplying with the 0 with the multiplicand, then all will be placed as 0. A normal school time multiplication mari, we have to leave one bit and place with the other. Move like this. Okay. Right to left, the intermediate products are placed. That information only. So first, what you have to observe in the number of digit in the product is considerably large than the number in either multiplicand. எப்போமே பார்த்தா a simple thing. If you see the size of the multiplicand and the size of the multiplier, product oda size எப்போமே large இருக்கும். You know that, right? The point they are trying to say is, the first observation you see is the number of digit in the product is considerably larger than number of either in the multiplicand or the multiplier. If we ignore the sign bit, okay, so what they say is the length of the multiplication of n bit multiplicand. You just consider this is n bit multiplicand and this is m bit multiplicand. So how will be the product? It is n plus m bit long. So how you have to frame the algorithm in such a way, for multiplicand how much bit you have to allot, for multiplier how much bit you have to allot, and at the same time for the placing the product value you have to allot some bit size. Correct? Hardware la. So n plus m bit long product odedu. So n plus m bit are required to represent all the possible products. So what we do, we have to add. What we do in the multiplication, we had liya kadasiya, and only you'll get the product. So like add, multiply must cope with overflow, because we frequently want overflow எப்போ occur ஆகும், when we are extending the 32 bit large or last bit extra வருதுனா, then we cause overflow. 32 bit product and the result of multiplying two 32 bit number. Already 232 bit number we are going to multiply, and we are going to get a large amount of product here. So that 32 bit is not enough for a product to be placed. Product value store pandradhukku it is not enough 32 bit. So these are the things you have to keep in mind while you are framing an algorithm. Okay. Just wait. Till now any doubt, students? Please reply. Please reply. இந்த ஸ்லைட் வரைக்கும் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா? எப்படி இருக்கு ப்ராடக்ட் ஒரு மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் கான்செப்ட் நம்ம கவர் பண்ணும்போது யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு மல்டிப்ளை டூ பாசிட்டிவ் இன்டீஜர்ஸ் or decimal number converting after binary, multiplicand, multiplier, intermediate products and the main products. If you just compare with the product order size is larger than when compared to a multiplicand bit and multiplier. So they are telling us n bit multiplicand, m bit multiplicand. Combinedly, we give the product as, get the product as n plus m bit long. Okay. So that 32 bit is not sufficient for a result product when you are multiplying two 32 bit numbers. Any doubt in this slide? Please reply, students.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So only two choices there in our hand. What are the two choice அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா each step of a multiplicand is simple. You see, if you consider any number of binary any numbers you consider, ரெண்டு choice தான் நம்மளுக்கு. ஏன்னா as the machine language knows only zeros and ones, if you are going to convert any decimal number to a binary form, it is going to be only two numbers, zeros and ones. Two choice இருக்கு நம்ம கையில. If you are going to multiply one is the value bit with the multiplicand, you will get the same value. Another case is, if you are going to multiply with the 0, the multiplicand value, then you will get 0. Other two choice. So just place a copy of multiplicand. So whenever you do for any sort of numbers, when you multiply with 1, you will get the same multiplicand value. Okay, so you can just replace that value. But in the case of 0, if multiplier is 0 and you are going to multiplicand with that, then you will get all the digits 0. Okay, two choice. Any doubt in this slide? Already they explained panna point down. Any doubt in this slide? Only two choice. Each step of multiplication is simple. When you have to multiply with 1, you will get the same multiplicand value. If you want to multiply with a 0, then you will get all the values 0. Next. So first they have invented a basic multiplication hardware. First invent பண்ணாங்க. The basics of multiplication, the traditional next step to provide the highly optimized multiple hardware. So what they have stepped first is, first version of multiplication hardware is this design. So if you just analyze, very simple. There is a place kept for multiplicand. Okay. So a bit representation kaga multiplicand ku ஒரு hardware device, multiplier, then ALU, where arithmetic calculations are performed, 64-bit design பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. Then product hold பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு designing. So இது ஒரு hardware design. In this hardware design, multiplicand value having 64-bit space, multiplier value 32-bit, and again ALU 64-bit, and for product also they have give 64-bit. How they have interconnected அப்படியே பாருங்க. Multiplicand multiplier ஓட நம்ம combine பண்ணாதான் product கிடைக்கும். So all have been combined. This multiplier. Then why we have to use this control test na? Suppose you want to shift the bit in the second intermediate product, that signal have to be sent. So அதுக்காக ஒரு control test. Okay, the values வச்சு நம்ம இத பார்க்கலாம் next slide ல. Just wait. Students are coming in between. So first they have invented a multiplication hardware. Here if you just analyze the multiplicand register, here is a register kept for multiplicand, and ALU, product register. For this three information, multiplicand, ALU and product register, 64-bit is allotted wide. With only multiplier alone is given as 32-bit. The 32-bit multiplicand starts in the right half of the multiplicand register and shift left to 1 bit on each step. இது என்னன்னா normal multiplication processக்காக அந்த information கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 32-bit multiplicand இருக்குல்ல, half starts the right half of the multiplicand register. and then shift left one bit on each step. ஏன்னா அது நார்மலா ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டெப்புக்கும் நம்ம இதை மூவ் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா, ஒரு ஸ்டெப்புக்கு we have to move and place the values. So இது மாதிரி 32 steps எடுக்கும். The multiplier is shifted in the opposite direction at each steps. The algorithm starts with the product initialized to 0. Initially product வந்து 0 இருக்கும். So this is the overall idea of first version of multiplication hardware they have designed. Need not get confused. So how they have started up the hardware design, adha நம்ம இப்ப பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். But this is not the final one. First version இது. Next we'll go for the second version, and then for fast multiplication what hardware design they have done அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்ப்போம் இன்னைக்கு. Okay, any doubt in this? So you just have to remember what are all the multiplication hardware fields here: multiplicand, multiplier, then 64-bit ALU, and product also is 64-bit. So in the first version they may ask any MCQ questions. What are the kindly explain the explain சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க, MCQ questionல எப்படி கேட்பாங்கன்னா what is the wide range இல்லனா bit wide for a product register இல்லனா multiplicand registerக்கு எவ்வளவு வேல்யூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெர்ஷனுக்கு அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. So 64-bit is allotted, product ko 64, ALU process ko 64-bit. Only multi-bit white space in the first version. Okay. So what is happening is multiplicand order value. You can just imagine what is the multiplicand value here. 1000. Sorry, 1000. You just place here 1000. Next multiplier value in 1001. Okay, here it is placed. Now we have to do the multiplication concept. 1 into 1000, what will get multiplicand value when you multiply with 1? If 0 means everything is 0. The process start like that, and the values are being stored in the 64-bit processor. This is the first version la nadanda process about multiplication concept. Sequential version of the multiplication algorithm and hardware. So இது ஒரு algorithm, இது ஒரு flow chart they have explained. Simple தான். இந்த process ஒரு flow chart மூலமா they have represented. So if you just analyze, start up, test the multiplier. What is multiplier here? What is multiplier here? 1. Here it is 1. Here the flow chart la check பண்றாங்க. If the multiplier is 0, okay, 0 வா இருந்தா என்ன வரும்? If you are multiplying with 0 the multiplicand value, then you will get what result? 000 வா இல்ல the multiplicand value வேவா? Please reply. If the last bit value of a multiplier is 0 pa, you are multiplying 0 with the multiplicand value. அப்ப என்ன result வரும்?
0.
Yes, everything is 0. Suppose multiplier ஓட value 1 ஆ இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் multiplicand ஓட value நம்ம place பண்ணுவோம். So according to that the flow chart has been designed. Just wait. Has been designed. So first they are starting, they are testing with the multiplier. If it is 0, then you have to shift the multiplicand register left to 1 bit. Okay. How you do in this calculation? That has been explained. ஒரு bit தள்ளி நம்ம இந்த intermediate product நம்ம place பண்ணுவோம். If it is 0. Okay. Suppose if the multiplier value first digit is 1, you have to multiply with the multiplicand. Now, same multiplicand value is placed. Add multiplicand to the product and place the result in the product register. You do in the product register. Okay. This is product register inga. Wait. This is product register. In the product register la nama அதுவே அந்த value multiplicand value நம்ம place பண்றோம். That is the flow they have explained here. Next, after adding, what you do again, you have to shift the multiplicand register left to 1 bit for the second process. So this 3 process is repeated frequently unless you get the final product completion. So 32 repetitions, that is less than 32 repetitions. After that you just complete the product. Okay, this is the flow chart, flow of operation, what you do in a normal multiplication concept. So the first multiplication algorithm using the hardware shown in the figure 3.3. This is the first version of multiplication hardware. That flow have been explained here. If the least significant bit of the multiplier is 1, least significant na idu least, idu most significant, idu least significant. If the least significant bit, okay, of the multiplier is 1, then add the multiplication to the product. If not, go to the next step, shift the multiplicand left and the multiplier right in the next 2 steps. Okay, what you do as a normal manual multiplication only, they have explained in words, need not get confused. And the 3 steps of repetition is done for all the 32 times. 32 times na enna artham? The process move aite irukum illaya. So இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிற 32 times அதை shift ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும் unless you complete this whole process. Okay. Any doubt you have till now? The sequential versions of the multiplication algorithm and hardware. Very simple. First we understood what is a multiplication concept, what we do normally with the zeros and ones. If suppose the least significant bit of a multiplier is 1, the same multiplicand value will be placed. If suppose it is a 0, we have to place with all zeros here. Okay, and 2 things you have to keep, 3 terms you have to keep in mind: multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. And these are said to be intermediate products. Okay. Then how we do? We do the multiplication from right to left, and 1 bit we will leave and will place the values here as normal multiplication concept. So according to this multiplication process, we have to frame the hardware. So what they have decided, they have told that if suppose n bit is allotted for multiplicand and m bit is allotted for multiplier, then the product will have n plus m bit long. So 32 bit numbers have been added and they have to frame for the product. And 2 choices there, that only I have told. If the multiplier value first bit is and the least significant bit is 1, you have placed the same multiplicand value. If 0, now everything is 0. 2 choice. The first basic multiplication hardware we have covered. In that hardware, if you see, how much of bit is allotted for each and every operand product அப்படினு பார்த்தோம். First operand வந்து multiplicand வந்து will have 64 bit, multiplier will have 32 bit, and product is given with 64 bit for the first version of multiplication hardware. Okay, and control test is needed to send the timing signal when you have to shift all the values. அதுக்காக இந்த ஒரு control test. As you all know, we say product na write தான், not read இல்லையா? Write output தானே, so write னு இங்க term. After multiplying the multiplicand and the multiplier value, the product is said to be the right output. And 64 bit ALU, because ALU illama arithmetic calculations cannot be done, so that is been allotted here. Okay, so idhila adder la nama include பண்ணுவோம், அது வந்து fast multiplication la varum. And as we know the basic knowledge of multiplication, we are knowing that flow chart here. Here they have represented the flow chart. This is called a sequential version of the multiplication algorithm and the hardware, how it is happening. When you start multiplying, first it will test with the multiplier value. If the multiplier value is 0, first least significant bit is 0, then what will happen? If it is 0, what? If it is 1 means what? Try to understand. Okay, if the value is 0, then just shift multiplicand register left to 1 bit and place all the zeros. Artho. Suppose 1 oda multiply pandona, the multiplicand value is added as a product. and place the result in the product register. This step is followed, these 3 steps are followed continuously until you get a final product. Wait, students. Next. The multiplier is the 32-bit multiplier register, and 64-bit product register is initially 0. Because initially 0 na, if any product, nothing is done, multiplication have not started na, initial product வந்து 0. அதுதான் சொல்றேன். So normally using paper and pencil, how you do a normal multiplication, you have to start doing for this also. And over 32 steps you have to take, it takes inside our computer hardware. 32-bit multiplicand would move 32-bit to the left, and 64-bit multiplicand register initialized with 32-bit multiplicand is the right half and 0 in the left half. Okay, how a 64-bit multiplicand register எப்படி split ஆயிருக்குன்னு இந்த பாயிண்ட் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. 32-bit multiplicand in the right half and 0 in the left half. Okay, this register is then shifted 1 bit, that you know normal multiplication what is happening, and the 64-bit product register has been collected all the values finally. From 3.4, what is the 3.4? This is the diagram for that. Just wait. Okay, from this figure, the first multiplication algorithm using the hardware what we have seen. First hardware enna paathirukkom 3.3 la. Yeah, multiplicand consists of 64-bit, multiplier consists of 32-bit, and product consists of 64-bit paathirukkom liya. Now that what they have told us, that hardware design have been improved in the second stage. So that has been explained here in this diagram. If the least significant bit of the multiplier is 1, add the multiplicand of the product. If not, go to the next step, shift the multiplicand left and the multiplier right in the next 2 steps. So these are the normal procedure for a multiplication concept. From figure 3.4, which shows 3 basic steps. Okay, if the least significant bit, nothing but what I have explained in words only, they have I mean what I have explained now, no, that they have put in words in the processor. Okay, so here one step we have to remember. These 3 steps where we are repeating liya, if the multiplicand least value is 1 aranda, multiplicand vada value nama poduvom. If it is 0 na, multiplicand oda multiply பண்ணும்போது we have to place a 0 னு போட்டுருக்கோம்ல, அந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்து 3 steps repeat ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். If each step took a clock cycle, you have to now remember what is a clock cycle. Clock cycle na ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூமே ஒரு இடத்துல போயிட்டு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஃபெச் பண்ணிட்டு மெமரியில் ஸ்டோர் ஆயிட்டு மறுபடியும் அதை எடுத்துட்டு வந்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்றதுல அந்த ப்ராசஸ் கிளாக் சைக்கிள். வாட் இஸ் கிளாக் சைக்கிள்? What is a clock cycle? It is a single electronic pulse of a CPU. During each cycle, what it does, the CPU can perform a basic operation. Now, what operation we are performing? Multiplication. If you want to perform that operation, such as you have to fetch an instruction, accessing memory, you have to give a memory space for that instruction and the values, and then write the data. So, இது நார்மலா ரொட்டீன் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஒரு மல்டிப்ளை பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு வேல்யூ பிட் வந்து ஒரு இடத்துல சேவ் ஆயிட்டு அதை மறுபடியும் ஃபெச் பண்ணி எதோட ஆட் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் ரிசல்ட் எப்படி வரும், அந்த ப்ராசஸ். ஸோ டியூரிங் ஈச் சைக்கிள் a CPU can perform that basic operation such as fetching an instruction, accessing the memory or writing data. Since only simple commands can be performed during each cycle, most CPU processes require multiple clock cycles for this. So now you can get to the point. So for each steps what you do, you have to need a clock cycle. So this algorithm would require almost 100 clock cycle to multiply 2 32-bit numbers. What is the 2 32-bit numbers? One is multiplicand number and multiplier number, correct? So how much of clock cycle is needed for a multiplication? It takes 100 clock cycle to multiply 2-bit numbers. two 32-bit numbers. What is the two 32-bit numbers? Multiplicand multipliers. Students, can you hear me? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the relative importance of arithmetic operations in addition subtraction, it takes 5 to 100 times according to the values. Okay, and multiplication mattum jaastiyave agum when compared to addition and subtraction. That is the point they have given. And multiply can be done with multiple clock cycle. And the point நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டா போதும். Almond's law எதுக்கு இங்க கொண்டு வராங்கன்னா, okay. So for any computer architecture, this particular law have to be followed. Why we have to follow this? It is often used in parallel computing. So multiplication na, it is not a single process. Multiple clock cycle is needed. Apana anga parallel computing plays the vital role. So predict the theoretical speed up when using multiple processor. For example, if a program needs 20 hours to complete using a single thread, na, but it can be completed within 1 hour portion if it is it can be, if it is not, cannot be a parallelized. Parallel panna parallel computing நம்ம fetch பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா then 1 hourல அந்த டியூட்டியை முடிச்சிடலாம். So why they are saying this point is, this Almond law reminds us even a moderate frequency for a slow operation can limit performance. இப்போ நம்ம ஹார்ட்வேர் அல்காரிதம் வந்து இப்போ பழைய மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஹார்ட்வேர் இப்போ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்ல, இதுவே நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணா we can't solve for all type of problems. நிறைய மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் வேல்யூஸுக்கு மல்டிப்ளிகன் வேல்யூக்கு நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ண முடியாது. We can't perform our speed. Slow operation can limit performance. அதனால according to this law we have to what? Speed up the algorithm. Multiplication ஓட கான்செப்டை கொஞ்சம் அட்வான்ஸ் ஆப்பாங்க. அதுதான் மெயின் ரூல் ஆஃப் கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஆர்கிடெக்சர்ஸோட டிசைனோட மெயின் கோலே வந்து ஒவ்வொரு டைமும் டெக்னாலஜி நம்ம இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணதான் அதோட ஸ்பீட் அப் ஆஃப் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் will be improved. So you have to keep this law in mind and we have to go for the next step of algorithm we are trying to tell. So this shows the revised hardware. புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தது 3.3ல பார்த்தது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெர்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஹார்ட்வேர் where you can't get that much of performance in a good way. Okay, இந்த ஹார்ட்வேர் பார்த்தோம். இதை என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, they have revised na, they have modernized. Refined we can say, refined version of the multiplication hardware is this design. இந்த டிசைன்ல என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, they have just compared with the first version. What are the multiplicand value? Can anybody say multiplicand value first versionக்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க, எவ்வளவு பிட் வைட் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க?
64 bit.
Very good 64 bit. And for ALU how much it has been given in the first version? 64. Very good. And you have noted a multiplierக்கு ஒரு 32 bit register allot பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஆனா இங்க இல்ல, அதை எடுத்துட்டாங்க. அதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெர்ஷன்ல 64 bit they have been allotted. Here also 64 bit, but they have splitted, if you just see, they have splitted the product into two half. Okay, so இந்த இடத்துல revised one. What are the changes now compared with the first version in the figure 3.3? The multiplicand register, ALU multiplier register, all are 32 bit wide. Inga idhula with only the product is given for 64 bit. Now the product is shifted right. Adhiye split பண்ணிட்டாங்க rightல. So the separate multiplier register also disappeared here. In this case, they have not allotted a space for multiplier. The multiplier is placed instead in the right half of the product. Where the multiplier has been included அப்படினு பார்த்தா productலே they have just divided and given space for multiplier register. So these changes are highlighted in the color. So what are all been changed when compared to the first version? First version la பார்த்தா just 64 multiplicand, there is also multiplier 64 bit ALU, product 64 அது மாதிரி இருக்கும். But புது revised version if you see, it is just multiplicand 32, ALU also 32 bit, product is given 64 and it has been divided for the register also. So these changes are highlighted in the color. The product register should really be 64 bit to hold the carry out of header. So 64 bit to highlight the evolution of 3.3. This is the revised hardware. எதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா டு ஸ்ட்ரென்தன் அவர் பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் மோர். So this is a very simple example, very easy for us to understand. Here what is the question asked for you is using 4-bit numbers to save space, you have to do multiplication here. Decimal number is given 2 into 3. You convert this decimal number into 4-bit number nu kuduthitaanga, so you can easily convert it. Able to understand how they have converted this decimal to binary? Any doubt in this? Please reply yes or no. Shortcut 1 2 4 8 2. Okay, 1 2 4 8 2 plus 1 3. Okay, both are being converted to binary form. Any doubt in this? Please reply.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Now we have to show the value of each register for each step labeled according to this 3.4 this algorithm வச்சு நம்ம வந்து அதை பண்ண போறோம். With the final value you want to get this. How you have got this value? நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன், மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட் வேல்யூ இது, மல்டிப்ளையர் வேல்யூ அப்படின்னு இருக்கும்போது வாட் யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ, ஆல்வேஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட் மல்டிப்ளையரை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து வில் பி லார்ஜ் in the case of multiplication process. Here if you see when we are adding these two things, we have got double of the product. And 2 into 3 is 6. You have to get the result as 6 with how much of bit representation? 8 bit. 4 plus 4 inga vandu 8 bit representation vandirum. Okay, now we'll go for the process. Very simple. Need not get confused. enama idu mari 0 ah potrukanga, romba simple idu. You just split the column into 1 2 3 4 5 column ah split பண்ணிக்கோங்க. First வந்து iteration, next steps, then multiplier இங்க எழுதணும், multiplicand value இங்க எழுதணும், and product value இங்க எழுதணும். Okay, got the point? So how we have to write? I will say first iteration 0 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. What is the step first வந்து இனிஷியலா வேல்யூஸ் என்ன இருக்கோ அதை பிளேஸ் பண்ணணும். Try to understand. இனிஷியலா இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல இருந்து என்ன ஆன்சர் கொஸ்டின் இருக்கோ அதை நம்ம பிளேஸ் பண்ணணும். What is the multiplier value here? Can anybody say what is multiplier value here?
0011.
Very good. Just place that value. Multiplier heading கீழ இருக்கிறதுல வேல்யூவை பிளேஸ் பண்ணிருங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் multiplicand value என்ன? Multiplicand value
0010.
very good, 0010. Why ma'am you have placed like this அப்படின்னா multiplicand வந்து large, அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெர்ஷன்ல நம்ம பிளேஸ் பண்ணும்போது 64 bit allot பண்ணியிருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. So you have to write the multiplicand value with 8 bit representation and multiplier மட்டும் 4 bit நீங்க represent பண்ணணும். This is a hint you have to remember. Multiplicand you have to place with 8 bit. 8 bit na 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 plus 4 8 bit நம்ம represent பண்ணணும். மல்டிப்ளையர் வந்து just 4 bit represent பண்ண போறோம். ஏன்னா எப்பவுமே ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து லார்ஜா இருக்கும் அதனால. So you just replace the multiplicand value and follow with all the 4 digit with 0. Okay, what is the product? I have already told initially எந்த algorithm start பண்ணாவுமே product வந்து initially 0. So first initial value is 00, 8 bit representation for a product. Any doubt in the first line? Please reply. Any doubt in the first line? We are doing the 0th iteration. Initial values என்னென்ன நம்ம place தான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Multiplier ஓட value see from the question and write. This is multiplicand, this is multiplier. So multiplier ஓட value 0011 I have placed here. Multiplicand value is 0010 I have placed with 8 bit representation. So remaining la 0 போட்டிருக்கேன். Product initial it is 0 only. Any doubt in the first line? Please reply.
No ma'am.
Okay, next what you have to do is iteration 1. 3 ஸ்டெப் ரிப்பீட் ஆகும். இந்த அல்காரிதம்ல நம்ம கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இந்த 3 ஸ்டெப் வந்து எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே ரிப்பீட் ஆகும். ஓகே, அந்த அல்காரிதம் ஸ்டெப்பை இங்க நோட் பண்ணணும். வாட் இஸ் த ஸ்டெப் 1? If suppose multiplier ஓட வேல்யூ 1 இருந்தா, see first least significant bit value is 1. If that is 1, then how you will get the product value? Product plus multiplicand. Product plus multiplicand. What is the product value here? 0, 0, 0. Okay, product plus multiplicand value is what? What is multiplicand value? If suppose multiplier ஓட value least வந்து அதுக்கு தான் circle பண்ணிருக்காங்க. You are going to multiply this multiplier value with the multiplicand. அதுக்கு first rule என்னன்னா, இப்ப multiplier ஓட least significant bit வந்து 1 இருந்தா அப்படியே அந்த multiplicand value அப்படியே தான் எழுதுவோம். அதானே ரூல். இப்ப ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன இருக்கும்? Just the multiplicand value. If you just see, you can analyze. Okay, that is the meaning of first step. If the multiplier oda least significant bit is 1, then what is the product value? Product plus multiplicand. அப்படியே multiplicand value copy பண்ணி இங்க எழுதிடணும். அவ்வளவுதான். Any doubt in this line? மீதில அப்படியே எழுதிருங்க. multiplicand கீழ இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுதிருங்க. product மட்டும் product equal to product plus multiplicand. multiplicand value அப்படியே இங்க copy பண்ணிட்டா இதுதான் you'll get when the multiplier value of least significant, if it is 1, you'll get this value. புரியுதா? previous step நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி இந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸ்ல என்ன நடக்குமோ அதை நம்ம வேல்யூஸா பிளேஸ் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்ல நம்ம மல்டிப்ளையரோட லீஸ்ட் சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் பிட்டை ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்கப்பா. இஃப் இட் இஸ் 1னா the multiplicand வேல்யூவை ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு போட்டுருங்க. முடிஞ்சிச்சு. அடுத்தது ஷிஃப்ட் செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஷிஃப்ட் லெஃப்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட்ல ஷிஃப்ட் லெஃப்ட் பண்ணும். see they have highlighted how they have done shift left. leftனா இந்த சைடு, ரைட்னா இந்த சைடு. கரெக்டா? இந்த 1 பிட்டை வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. கரெக்டா? எனி டவுட் இன் திஸ்? In the second step what you have to do, you focus on the multiplicand value. multiplicand value previously இருக்கிற ஸ்டெப்ல இருந்து ஒரு பிட் லெஃப்ட் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் ஷிஃப்ட் ரைட் மல்டிப்ளையர்ல ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்டெப்ல இருக்கிற மல்டிப்ளையரை வந்து ஷிஃப்ட் ரைட் மல்டிப்ளையர் பண்ணணும். ஷிஃப்ட் ரைட்னா இந்த 1 வந்து ரைட்ல மூவ் ஆயிட்டா இங்க 0, 0 ஆயிரும். ஜஸ்ட் மூவ் திஸ் 1 டு த ரைட். ரைட்ல மூவ் ஆயிட்டா மீதில என்ன 0, 0, 0, 1. எனி டவுட் யூ ஹேவ்? Please reply. See, you need not get confused with these numbers. You just remember what is the initial value. After seeing the question, you just place the multiplier value, multiplicand value. Product is initially 0. Everything is 0. Multiplicand product மட்டும் 8 bit represent பண்ணிக்கோங்க. multiplier 4 bit represent பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அடுத்தது 3 ஸ்டெப் தான் throughout your algorithm you will be following. அந்த 3 ஸ்டெப் என்ன ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து 1 implies product equal to 1 impliesனா என்ன மீனிங்னா மல்டிப்ளையர்ல இருக்கிற லீஸ்ட் சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் பிட் வந்து 1 இருந்தா 1 implies product equal to product plus multiplicand. You just place this previous step multiplicand as a product value here. Next step you have to remember shift left multiplicand. 3 மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். shift left multiplicand, shift right multiplier. So you focus on multiplicand ஓட previous step and focus பண்ணி you have to just do 1. அந்த எந்த இடத்துல 1 இருக்கோ அங்க வந்து left shift பண்ணிக்கணும். left shift பண்ணிட்டு அந்த வேல்யூவை இங்க பிளேஸ் பண்ணிருங்க. அடுத்த ஸ்டெப்ல focus on multiplier value, shift right multiplier. அப்ப 1 பிட் இருக்கிறது வந்து just right shift and place the value. right shift பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம இந்த வேல்யூவை பிளேஸ் பண்ணணும். Any doubt? Please reply. நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க வேண்டியது இந்த 3 ஸ்டெப் தான். இந்த 3 ஸ்டெப் நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுட்டாவே ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூவும் நீங்க எழுதும் போது இப்ப இங்க வந்து ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருக்கிற வேல்யூ வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட் வேல்யூவை பிளேஸ் பண்ணிருங்க. அடுத்த ஸ்டெப்ல யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆன் மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட், லெஃப்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட். ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு ஜஸ்ட் ஷிஃப்ட் த bit left and then place the value under the multiplicand column. மீதிலாம் அப்படியே பார்த்து எழுதிடணும். மீதிலாம் அதே ரிப்பீட்டேஷன்ஸ் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஷிஃப்ட் ரைட் மல்டிப்ளையர்ல இந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்டெப்ல இருக்கிற இந்த லாஸ்ட் பிட்டை வந்து ஷிஃப்ட் ரைட்னா இந்த பக்கம் 0001 வந்துரும். முடிஞ்சிச்சு. மீதெல்லாம் அப்படியே பார்த்து எழுதிருங்க. completed. So same thing has been repeated. Next first step என்ன? You have to focus on only product. So மீதெல்லாம் அப்படியே பார்த்து எழுதிடலாம். இதெல்லாம் அப்படியே எழுதணும். Focus on product. Product is nothing but the multiplicand. So இந்த value product plus multiplicand you have to do. What is product here? 0010 plus multiplicand value. What you get? Then you add this product. What you get? Product and multiplication, if you add, what you get, pa? See, here multiplier would least significant value in the previous step is 1. In the mari case la, you have to do product plus multiplicand. What is product plus multiplicand? In this case, what you get the value? You just add these two numbers, pa, and tell me. Product plus multiplicand, what value you get? என்னாச்சு? Reply. Okay, இந்த first 3 steps புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? இந்த first 3 steps புரியுதா? First iteration. Say yes or no. Students, please reply. See, pa, they have given two numbers. You have converted into binary form. This is multiplicand. This is multiplier. Okay. How we have to do the algorithm is very simple. First, divide the column into 5 parts. Iteration, steps, multiplier, multiplicand, product. 0th iteration la initial values enna first place pananum from the question. Copy. This is multiplicand, multiplier. Multiplier oda value 0011. 4-bit represent pananum. Multiplicand value 0010. After placing 0010, remaining left side everything you have to place as 0. Because multiplicand is 8-bit representation here. 4-bit representation is for multiplier. After taking the information from the question, initially value for product is 000. 8-bit representation. Any doubt in this first line? Please reply. Please reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So first iteration. 3 steps you remember. What are the first step is? If suppose multiplier oda least significant bit வந்து 1 இருந்தா product equal to product plus multiplicand. Product equal to product plus multiplicand. Previous step la இருந்து அப்படியே add பண்ணிக்கோ. Product plus multiplicand. What is the value? Product value. இத ரெண்டும் add பண்ணா product value வந்துரும். அதான் ஹிண்டே கொடுத்தாச்சுல்ல உங்களுக்கு. Product plus multiplicand value is the value for this first step. When this will be happening? Only if the multiplier oda least significant bit is 1 இருந்தா. Next, shift left multiplicand is the second step you have to do. Okay, shift left multiplicand. Multiplicand oda value இங்க 1 bit இருக்கு இல்லையா, 1 bit வந்து நம்ம left shift பண்ணணும். leftனா இந்த சைடு, rightனா இந்த சைடு. they have moved பாருங்க. 1 வந்து இந்த இடத்துல மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இந்த இடத்துல 0 வந்துருது. so here they have shifted the left. Shift left has been happened in the multiplicand value. Any doubt in this? இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல என்ன நடந்திருக்கு இங்க ஹைலைட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. they have just shifted left multiplicand. எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம நவுத்த கூடாது. 0 எல்லாம் நம்ம ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ண கூடாது. only the number 1 have to be left shifted in the multiplicand value. shift left. மீதிலாம் அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளையரோட வேல்யூ அப்படியே எழுதிருங்க. ப்ராடக்டோட வேல்யூ like that is how we have to follow. Third step, focus on multiplier. You have to shift right. So first digit வந்து நம்ம right shift பண்ணிட்டோன்னு when you are moving, when you are taking this 1 out, what is the meaning? 0, 0, 0, 1 illaya? So that is only given. Right shift na தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, left shift na enna தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. So for multiplier, we are doing the right shift. Okay. Any doubt in these 3 steps? Please reply. Only if you understand the 3 steps, meediyala adhe follow up da. Okay. Whenever a multiplier would a least significant bit is 1, we have to add the product with the multiplicand and place the intermediate product like this. Next step, shift left multiplicand. 1 have to be shifted here. Place the value. Shift right multiplier. Right. 1 value, 1 bit have to be moved to the right and place the value for it. Any doubt in this 3 steps, pa? Please reply now. Yes. Next வந்து அதே procedure தான். You just compare with the multiplier value. எப்பவுமே procedure is started only from the multiplier value. ஏன்னா multiplier value வச்சு தான் multiplicand நம்ம do the process and get the product இல்லையா? So last is significant, least significant bit for multiplier check பண்ணுங்க. 1 இருந்தா அதே iteration தான், அதே repetition of steps. 1 இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Product plus multiplicand. Product plus multiplicand. You just add these 2 things, you'll get the product here. When you are adding this 1 0 0 0 1 1, what you get? 0 1 1 0. Yeah. So after this is over, next step is shift left multiplicand. 1 bit have to be shift lefted, and in right multiplier, right shift have to be done. So 1 is being moved away, right. Right na in the side, left na in the side, nalla adiyum understand panikonga. For what we are doing shift left and for what we are doing shift right, you have to remember. For multiplicand value, shift left have to be done in the second step, and third step, shift right for the multiplier value. Then you place the value. Next, if you check the multiplier value here, third iteration ku munadi 0. So 0 na there is no operation illaya, adhe value da nama place pananum. 0, if 0 na no operation, so everything is 0 here. Same, repeat the multiplicand value, product also same. Shift left multiplicand. Multiplicand, you have to do the shift left. Change over is here. Product la apdiye paathu eludirunga. Similarly, right multiplier. Here if you right multiply, right shift panavo 0 da varum. Okay, over. So again you repeat these steps. Again we are checking the multiplier with the least significant value. It is 0. So there is no operation. Just copy the multiplier value, multiplicand value, and product value. And but here the steps comes. Left multiplicand. You have to left shift the multiplicand value. Previous step lande left shift panikano. Similarly, shift right multiplier. Even though if you do right multiplier shift, you will get only 0 here. So this is how a multiplication example using some algorithm, bit representation is happening inside the hardware. Okay. This is the algorithm steps, what we have seen in the previous slide. How it is happening, how the values are taken, how it has been placed, and then நம்ம இதல பார்க்கிறோம். Any doubt you have? If you remember these 3 steps, then it is easy for you to put the value for multiplier, multiplicand, and product. Students, please reply. Any doubt? So what are the first 3 steps? If multiplier least significant value is 1, means what is the product value? Please reply. The multiplier with the least significant bit is 1. What is the product value?
Multiplicand.
Product plus multiplicand. Very good. Second step is what? Second step is I'm not asking about iteration. Second step. So ஒரு 3 step இருக்கு இல்லையா? First step சொல்லியாச்சு. If the multiplier would least significant values 1 இருந்தா, product is nothing but product plus multiplicand. Second step,
Shift left multiplicand.
very good. அவ்வளவுதான். Shift left multiplicand. Third step.
Shift right multiplier.
Shift right multiplier.
Yes, shift right multiplier. Okay, good. நீங்க இந்த வேல்யூஸ் நீங்க பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டா இந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸ் ஞாபகம் வச்சுட்டா you itself you can solve this problem. Try today. So signed multiplication, till now we have covered what is the basic hardware design they have done, what are the algorithm, what is the revised algorithm, everything we have covered, and how it has been working with the 3 steps, that also we have covered. Signed multiplication, so far we are only dealing with the positive numbers. The easiest way to understand how to deal with signed numbers is to find the convenient multiplier. Signed na enna artham? Negative numbers. Is to find the convenient, first to convert the multiplier and multiplicand to the positive number and then remember the original sign. This is how we have to do for a signed number. Okay, இப்போ இதுவரைக்கும் பார்த்தது positive numbers. Positive numbers are called as unsigned numbers, that you all know. Signed numbers are said to be both positive numbers and negative numbers. Plus போட்டுட்டு values இல்லனா minus போட்டுட்டு values. Okay, signed numbers. So for doing signed multiplication, first we have to convert all the multipliers and multiplicand to a positive number, and then at last you have to remember what is the original sign of the largest number and you have to do. So இது வந்து normal procedure as you follow for a multiplication concept. This is called as faster multiplication. Technology has been improved, okay, where for any type of large amount of signed or unsigned numbers we can do calculation, and the performance also should be very much improved, and the result of the product should be apt, accurate. For that they have moved for a straightforward approach, which connect the output of adder on right to the input of adder on the left, making a stack of adder 32 high. அதாவது adders நிறைய add பண்ணி they have framed the fast multiplication hardware. So what they have included is, இப்போ ALU இந்த பழைய இதுல பார்த்தா ஒரே ஒரு ALU processor மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும், where you have to fetch the result input from the multiplicand, you have to get the input from the multiplier, you have to multiply the product, அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோர் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த ப்ராசஸ் வந்து it will make a performance low தான் சொல்றாங்க பழைய ரிவைஸ்ட்ல. பட் இந்த ஃபாஸ்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ப்ராசஸ் where they have included many adders, 32-bit adders வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. More adders are being added, so faster the performance will be, as well as for any type of signed or unsigned numbers we can do the calculation and get the apt output. So fast multiplication hardware, rather than using a single 32-bit adder 31 time, this hardware unroll the loop to use 31 adder and then organize them into a minimum delay. So for example, first multiplicand value ஓட 0 multiply பண்ணும்போது அது மாதிரி அதுக்கு ஒரு ஆடர் கொடுத்துட்டு அந்த கால்குலேஷன் ஃபாஸ்டா முடிச்சு உடனே அடுத்தது, அதாவது பேரலா நடக்குது இதுல. அதுவே வந்து பழைய இதுல எல்லாம் பார்த்தா ஒரு டைம்ல ஒரு பிட்டை மட்டும் தான் அது அனலைஸ் பண்ணி எடுத்து அவுட்புட் வர்றது, பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் லோ ஆகுது. இந்த மாதிரி கேசஸ்ல பழைய அல்காரிதம் ரிவைஸ்ட்ல பண்ணும்போது, ஓகே, ஒரே ஒரு 32-bit ALU-வால ஒரு மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட் வேல்யூ வித் ஒன்லி ஒன் மல்டிப்ளையரோட லீஸ்ட் சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் பிட்டோட அது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ரிசல்ட் சேவ் பண்ணி ஃபெச் பண்ணி வர்றது வந்து இட் பிகம்ஸ் டிலே. அண்ட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் சம் லிட்டில் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் யூ கேன் பெர்ஃபார்ம் திஸ் result accurately. But in the case of faster multiplication have to be done for large amount of data. Okay, for that they have designed in this way. They have added more 32-bit adder, so resulting in that for the first multiplicand value 0th least significant bit oda நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போதே ஒரு ரிசல்ட் சேவ் ஆகுது. ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அடுத்த இது செக் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கு. parallel processing have been happening. I think you are able to understand. So intermediate resultume fast-ஆ வந்து ஆப்ரேட் ஆயிட்டு நம்மளுக்கு ரிசல்ட் வந்து குவிக்கா பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கொடுக்குது. That is the main aim of implementing this fast multiplication hardware design. The design has been changed entirely when compared to the old version, first version, revised version of hardware multiplication. They have revised the fast multiplication hardware like this. In such a way, they have added more 32-bit adders. Okay, got the point, students? Please reply. Please reply. So இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன calculationsக்கு okay, first versions of algorithm can be supported. But if you want to calculate for a large amount of signed or unsigned numbers, okay, this algorithms whatever is framed at the beginning is not sufficient. So they go for a fast multiplication algorithm where they have added more 32-bit adders and perform all type of calculations. Okay. So multiplier in MIPS, what is the instruction used for multiplication? You have to understand. In millions instruction per second, assembly language la enna mari instructions use பண்ணனும் அப்படினு பார்த்தா MIPS provides a separate pair of 32 bits register to contain the 64 bit product. We say it is a high low values. The product to produce properly signed and unsigned product. So what is the two instruction used for multiplication is MULT, mult. எப்படி additionக்கு add, sub, அது மாதிரி multiplicationக்கு MULT. For unsigned you have to mention as MULTU. These are the instructions used for multiplication concept. To fetch the integer 32-bit product, the programmer use move from low for this particular address. Okay, they used to use this type of instruction, move instruction. So 3 general purpose registers generally for this address, low address, high instructions to place the product into the registers. So pseudo instructions they say low high, low bit, high bit. So summary of this today's topic is we have covered all the multiplication hardwares. Simply is nothing but we are just shifting and adding the process and getting the product result as we do in the paper and pencil method learned in the grammar school. And compiler, what it does, even use shift instructions for multiplication by power of 2. With much more hardware, we can do the add in parallel and do them much faster. So at last we have seen the faster multiplication hardware where we can do parallel processing, parallel computing for any large amount of data. Any doubts, students? Please reply. Please reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Time up. Sorry. Adilakshmi. Adilakshmi. Present or absent? Aarti.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Aarti. Fast, fast.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Present, ma'am.
Abhisheka. Abhisheka absent. Adi Kesav.
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
மேம்
Shreya.
அபிஷேக் இருக்காங்க மேம் ப்ரெசன்ட் போட்டுருங்க.
Akshaya.
Present, ma'am.
Shreya. Ankam.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Ankam. Ushasri. Present. Okay. Anthony. Absent. Aravindan. Archana. M. Archana.
Present, ma'am. Present,
C.
ma'am.
C. Archana. C. Archana. Absent. Those who gave the attendance can move. Thank you for your cooperation, students. Thank you. Arun Kumar. Absent. Aravind. Vamsi. Vamsi Krishna. Absent. Benipriya. Olugita. Arumati.
Present, ma'am.
Arun. Tarun absent or present? Chandru.
Present, ma'am.
Danish A. Danish U.
ப்ரெசன்ட் மேம் தனுஷ் ஏயு.
Present, ma'am.
Answer பண்ணலி. Danish U.
Present, ma'am.
Divya. Divya. Okay. Dinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Watson.
Watson present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present,
Kukla
ma'am.
Krishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Watson present. Okay. Gautam Raj. Absent. Guneshekaran.
Present, ma'am.
இப்போ பிடிக்கிறேன் பாரு. குணசேகரன் பிரசன்டா? ஏன் லேட்டா ஆன்சர் பண்றீங்க? ஹரிஹரன் என். எஸ் ஹரிஹரன்.
Present, ma'am.
ஹர்ஷவர்தன்.
N present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
இந்திரா.
Present, ma'am.
ஜான்வி.
Yes, ma'am.
ஜெயசூர்யா.
Present, ma'am.
ஜீவன்.
Yes, ma'am.
ஜீவிதா.
Present, ma'am.
விஜயதரன்.
Present, ma'am.
அமீரெட்டி. கனிமொழி. கரண்.
Animally present, ma'am.
கனிமொழி ஆன்சர் பண்ணலையே. கரண். கரண் ஆப்சென்ட். கவிதா. ஆப்சென்ட்.
Permission, Kavita permission, ma'am.
கவிதா. ஓ அப்சர்வேஷனா? எனிவே ஆப்சென்ட் ஃபார் த கிளாஸ் இல்லை, ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே. கீர்த்தனா.
Present, ma'am.
எஸ். கிருபாகரன்.
Present, ma'am.
ஓகே.
Present, sir.
லோகவர்ஷினி.
Present, ma'am.
லோகேஸ்வரன். ஆப்சென்ட்.
இருக்காங்க.
இருக்காங்களா? மதன்ராஜ்.
Present, ma'am.
மதுமிதா.
Present, ma'am.
மோரிஷ். ஆப்சென்ட். மோகன கணபதி. மோகன கணபதி. மோனிகா.
Present, ma'am.
எஸ். தேஜபாபு. நஸ்ரின் பானு. நிகேஷ். நிதிக் ரோஷன்.
Present, ma'am.
நிவேதா.
Present, ma'am.
லோகரு. சாய் தேஜா. முதினி. அண்ணாமலை.
அண்ணாமலை இருக்காங்க.
தீக்ஷா.
Present, ma'am.
ஹரிஷ்யூ. ஆப்சென்ட்.
ஹரிஷ் இருக்காங்க.
இருக்காங்களா? பேராம். ஓகே. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். யூ கேன் லீவ்.
Ma'am.
எஸ். லோகவர்ஷினி.
Present, ma'am.
கனிமொழி பிரசண்டா? எங்க போயிருந்தீங்க?